It is said there are two very important days in your life. The first is the day when you are born, and second is the day you know why you are born. See, given a chance, each and every one of us would like to live a meaningful life, a happy life, a content life, the life that is good for others. But in reality, many of us, they fall short of it. Sometimes they don't know what to do, and sometimes they don't know how to do this. When you want to transform your life, one thing is very sure: it should have some meaning, some purpose, and at the end of the day, I should feel that this is what I really want. So it all starts with what I call as self-awareness. Do I know who I am? Do I know what I really want to do? And most importantly is how much I am doing about it. Michelangelo years back had said, I am not afraid of myself when I make a target and miss it. I am afraid of myself when I hit the target which is way below my potential and hit it. I don't want to self myself lower. Interestingly, according to Aristotle, 95% of the things that we do is repetitive. So there is only 5% of the time that we have scope for improvement. It all starts with reading, and it is said readers are leaders. If you can read, you can lead. It takes any sensible person 2 minutes to tell them that are they reading books or not. The way they construct their sentence, the choice of their words, the scope and the spans of what they are thinking. That can come from reading. After all, what I really want from all these things, only two things: happiness and success. For some people, success is happiness, and for some, happiness is success, or other way, success is happiness. My point is, for me, success is leading a meaningful life, the life that can help me and help others. I need to look for avenues where I can change. I need to constantly be very introspective about the things that I am doing. I need to be very clear the life that I want to live. Because when I will be 60, 70, 80, I don't want to repent.